Hey everyone, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to take screenshots on any Windows PC or laptop. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for faster methods, this tutorial has you covered. If you find this helpful, smash that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials. First, open whatever you want to capture. This could be a web page, document, application, or your desktop. Now, press Windows plus Shift plus S together. Your screen will dim slightly, and you'll see a small toolbar at the top. The toolbar gives you for capture options. Rectangular snip, select any rectangular area. Freeform snip, draw any custom shape. Window snip, capture a specific window. Full screen snip, capture your entire screen. For this example, I'll use the rectangular snip. Simply click and drag to select the area you want. Once you capture, a notification will appear in the bottom right corner. Click on that notification to open the Snip and Sketch editor. Here you can refine your screenshot, add annotations, crop unwanted areas, or make any adjustments. When you're ready, click the Save icon in the top right. Select a convenient save location to keep your files organized. Name your file and click Save. Important, your screenshot is now saved in the location you selected. You can find it by navigating to that folder anytime. For a faster full screen capture, press Windows plus PrtScn together. On some laptops, especially newer models, you'll need to press the function key Fn plus PrtScn together to activate this shortcut. A notification will pop up in the bottom right corner. That's your visual confirmation the screenshot was successfully captured and saved. Where is it saved? This copies your entire screen to the clipboard but doesn't save a file automatically. To save it, open any image editor like Paint. Press Windows plus R, type MS Paint and press Enter. Press Ctrl plus V to paste. Once Paint opens, customize your screenshot however you like. Next, click on the File menu. Select Save as from the drop-down options. Choose your format, PNG or JPEG. Browse to your preferred save destination. Enter a name for your image and click Save. Do you want to capture only the active window without your entire screen? Click on the window you want to capture to make it active. Press Alt plus PrtScn together. Again, on some laptops, you may need to use function key Fn plus Alt plus PrtScn instead. This copies only that window to your clipboard. Paste it into Paint or any other application using Ctrl plus V, then save it as shown in method 3. There you have it, for powerful methods to capture screenshots on any Windows device. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.